Okay, guys. Hi. I met a new friend today, and this is FreeRV. And, and what's your first? Can I get your first name, or you just want to go by Free?
I'm Ross.
Ross.
Yes.
Ah,
From
that's a nice name.
FreeRV. Yeah.
That's cool. I just met him today, and
Yeah, I'm very excited to meet Sam. Yeah, he always barking, barking,
barking,
barking.
barking.
And,
Someone told me I should get him a muzzle, and I'm thinking, no, I might do that.
and Vivian, such a lovely lady. I watched her videos. She's a very funny and very good personality.
Oh, come
That's
on.
what her channel very successful because it's very interesting to watch about cookies and about her travels and everything.
Mm. Can we take a peek in your van?
Yes.
This is a what? This is a uh,
Winter,
Sprinter 2500. I don't know if I can get up there. It might be. I might have to crawl.
it's okay, or you can stay outside.
Yes, people, I'm crawling in the van. Oh! Ooh, this is okay. Hold on, just a second. I gotta get up, stand up. Oh, I like those pads. Those are cool.
Yep. They are from
This is a
Harvard.
working van. Got a lot of technical stuff in here.
Yes. I have my plumbing here with a pressurizer, 3 gallons of pressurizer.
Ooh.
Go in my sink,
Oh, you got a sink. Wow.
and it's coming out from sink and my gray water over there. And this is from my solar panels. And I attach 300 watt of solar panels with only 4 bolts. It's like that, only like 4 holes in the roof. And
Oh,
it's
okay.
holding
4
the
holes.
rack, and the solar panel attached to the rack. So it's very secure because rack protects solar panels from wind and from extra vibration. And this is the glass table. I like that it's
Oh, yeah, I love the glass table.
and those from my Ryobi fans and Ryobi lights over there,
Oh,
and I insulated very good. So during the hottest day, if I put all the fans out, I can survive in a van, like 90 degrees. Or also I was staying in Pennsylvania around 20 degrees, and I was running my heater, propane heater, and I survived. And I make the propane heater myself. I 2 old rotors from the wheels. I put them upside down, and my stove underneath, propane stove, and it's heating with a chimney. You can see on my channel how
oh,
to make
okay,
it.
yeah, we'll go to your channel and check it out.
Yeah, and right now I have it over there, my stove over there.
Storage.
If you can see that. Yeah, and yeah, you can cook here. And this is my all plumbing on a cart. The reason is because it's waterproof. Even if water leaks, it's gonna stay inside of the cart.
Uh-huh.
And also it extends extra table.
Oh, without the thing there.
Yep.
This
And
is
yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
Oh, little storage places you
Yes.
got up here.
And this is carbon monoxide and fire detectors, so safety first.
Oh, good.
Everything first. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm trying to do a simple, cheap, and everything recycles. For example,
What is this for?
this is just bottles. So I bought this.
Oh, I thought maybe it was for something you're just keeping it out.
Yeah, I keep it.
Okay.
This is it's called shoe storage.
Uh-huh.
From the Pot and Beyond. You gotta go in Beyond section, and then you find over there. The reason I bought them because for my partition, because I still have a storage and light can go through.
Oh, yeah,
That's
yeah.
and this is my cooler. So I have a simple cooler, but I insulate it all the way around.
Oh, that is awesome.
And did you guys hear like a Yeti expensive cooler? This
Yeah.
one same like that. And I bought this one just for 20 bucks and I insulated everything around. So much insulation.
Okay, so how much will how long will a bag of ice last you?
Depends of temperature during the summer, like few days.
Uh-huh. That's good. What is this stuff?
Oh, this is spray foam insulation. It
Spray
goes,
foam.
it goes in stuff like that.
Oh,
And you
okay.
shake it and you just spray it all the way around. And it's same stuff here too.
Huh.
And it's but there it's very easy because it's gluing.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty neat. I'll have to try that on my cooler, because...
And my floor from it's a fancy floor. I was working in construction and it was left over from the job.
Cool beans. I always love leftover stuff.
So,
Yeah.
Instead of throwing away, I just put them together. So leftovers. So because if you do, I did like big penthouse and it was like so many leftovers. So I just put them together and glue them together, and I have a nice floor and I like it.
That's awesome.
And this is from Lowe's. This stuff it's 4x8 and it costs like 30 bucks, but it's very durable. They use inside of reefers of trucks, this one. So it's waterproof and durable.
Huh.
And I just attach it like an arch with that. And did you guys hear about Fantastic Fan?
Yes.
My Fantastic Fan like that, cheaper. It's just from the
Just right.
from the lid, from the cooking lid.
Uh-huh.
And I cut a hole and like that. And if I need a fan, I can. This is my Fantastic Fan. It's also
This
clear.
is your fantastic.
It's also clear, so it's letting me go light, and I go like that.
Ah,
And
I get
have
it.
two of them, and Fantastic Fan. And
Oh, that's neat.
and the lid it's $10, and this $10 for 20 bucks. I have this instead of 200.
You are a smart cookie.
Yeah, just trying, trying to figure out this on a cheap.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
so
Well, I think that's what everyone's trying to do. But,
And also here, lots of people saying that when you're using propane,
mm-hmm.
you put in oxygen, and when you're using propane heater, you can burn out oxygen, and you're not gonna be able to breathe.
Right.
So to escape this, I did hole in the floor, and you can take a look here. So I have a hole in the floor.
Okay.
Like that.
All right.
And then this one attaches go like that. And then
So
this one I attach into my stove. So the oxygen go that up,
Uh-huh.
and I burn oxygen from outside. And also I have a chimney.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's
Is it back here?
it's back there.
Okay.
But it's on my channel, everything.
Okay, yeah. So
I
we'll
explain-
have to...
FreeRV explain how to make. It's called multi-purpose stove, because you can use with propane, you can use with a wood or anything, anything you can burn, because it has a chimney and it has an oxygen from outside, so it's very safe.
Oh,
And-
awesome.
Yeah.
So, well, thanks for letting me look inside.
Sure.
And all you guys, go check him out, okay? Go check him out. He's a cool dude.
Nice to meet you.
Huh?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Happy
you.
Thanksgiving and best wishes. Happy holidays, everybody.
Aw, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.